stop right here. Did you know you can darken your hair instantly using ingredients already in your kitchen? Today I'm showing you how to make and use hibiscus, coffee and lavender spray. I'll show you how to preserve it so it lasts for months. Watch to the end. Your hair will thank you. Hi beauties, welcome back to Casa Naturals, your trusted channel for powerful, simple recipes for skin and hair care. If you want dark and luscious hair without chemicals, guys, this video is for you. Tell me in the comments if you have tried hibiscus and coffee for hair growth or for darkening your hair. Then we'll need some coffee. Okay, so you can use instant, you can use, please make sure that you use coffee, real coffee, my friends. Okay, or even instant coffee if you have. So you can even use some coffee beans, you can just grind them. So of course I have some coffee beans and the Nescafe coffee. So this is the one that I'm going to use, my beautiful friends. So coffee is full of many benefits. It can darken your hair instantly by depositing natural color. It also reduces dullness and adds vibrant and helps blend every grain, and it also stimulates circulation. So also needs hibiscus. Hibiscus gives a warm natural tint, strengthen the hair roots, it boosts shine and soften, which helps reduce shedding, makes hair looks fuller and healthier. So you can use hibiscus petals which are dry. So these are the ones that we are going to use. So to make this powerful blend for darkening your hair, you need a bowl or a jar where you're going to mix your ingredients. So you start with 2 tablespoons of our coffee. So make sure that your coffee is strongly brewed. So you can add as much as you can depending on your preference, but what we want is our coffee to be strongly brewed. Okay, so comment in the chat section below, my beautiful friends, and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much, my beautiful friends. So once you add your coffee, now you can add 1 cup or 2 cups of hibiscus. You don't need a lot of it, just 2 cups. It's enough. So once you mix all the 2 ingredients, make sure that you add 1 cup of boiled water. It should be boiled, my friends, or you can actually boil it on a cooker, but in most cases this is what I like. So according to your preference, you can go with what you want. So once you mix, make sure that you leave it in the jar to steep for 10 minutes so that it can brew and infuse very well. So after 10 minutes it is ready at this point. So all you have to do is make sure that it is cool before you strain it. So as you can see, it is powerful and it has brewed well. So now it's time to strain. Make sure that you get a fine strainer, or you can use a cheesecloth or a knee-high, because you don't want those residues to start being stuck in your hair. And it's so powerful, my friends, as you can see. So these are ingredients that you can actually get from your kitchen without spending much money. So we have a preservative. So preservative actually extends the shelf life to 3 to 4 months, preventing bacteria and mold. It keeps your mixture safe for use on the scalp. So once you add, you can either use any preference of your preservative. You can use Gemoplast, you can use Icedo, you can also use Optifen, so according to your preference. So once you add 1 gram, make sure that you give it a stir, and then we are going to add some lavender. Lavender soothes the scalp or an irritated scalp. It actually promotes hair growth, and it actually moisturizes your hair. It refreshes your hair and keeps your hair clean and smelling nice. And it's also good for the scalp because it helps or prevent bacteria or fungus on the scalp. So at this point, we are transferring our mixture into our bowl so that we can actually package it in a spray bottle. So at this point, our spray is ready. This is a powerful combo to darken your hair. Comment below, my beautiful friends. I would love to hear from you. In drops, you can add 5 to 6 drops of lavender and 1 gram of your preservative. So at this point, our spray is ready. Give this video a big thumbs up. It looks so beautiful and it's actually smelling very nice. So at this point, you can actually put your labels. In most cases, like if you make different kinds of products, make sure that you put a label. So initially, I'd actually put a label after doing this video. So application or how to use, make sure that you spray this on your clean hair and make sure that you saturate from the root to the end. Okay, from the root to the end, and please don't rinse it until your next wash day. So you start seeing results from instant use. However, consistent is very important. Make sure that you are consistent. With consistency, you are going to begin to see that your grays start blending. Thank you so much for watching.